Hello guys, in this video I will solve your doubts on the question that is how to speed up or slow down voice in ElevenLabs. So I'm going to be clear that ElevenLabs does not currently offer a built-in option to adjust the speed of the generated voice directly within its platform. But if you need to speed up or slow down the audio, you can use an external audio editing tool. And I will show you exactly how you can do that. First of all, navigate to ElevenLabs.io, type in the text that you want to convert to a speech or generate any kind of music or voice, then simply click on the download icon at the bottom of the screen. This will instantly download your ElevenLabs file. Now what you'll have to simply do is go to the search bar and type in Cledio. After typing in Cledio, click on this link that says cledio.com online video tools. When you click on this link, it will take you to this page where you'll have to click on video editor option, click on get started, and it will show you this page. Now, click on click to upload button here. It will open up your files directory. We'll have to choose the MP3 that we just generated using the ElevenLabs platform. So this is basically the ElevenLabs audio. Now, you will see this interface where you will have the speed button just after audio. As you can see, a speed button is here. You can also adjust the volume and add fade in or fade out effect if you want. You can do noise reduction by toggling this switch on, or you can just navigate to speed and you will see these options. As you can see, this is normal speed. Now, if I would want to slow down this audio, I will take this small circle on this speed bar and take it to the left, and this will increase the length of this file, but it will slow it down. Now, if I would want to increase the speed of this audio, I will click on 1.5x or just take this small circle and move it to the right. And this will decrease the length of this, but it will increase the speed of the audio. I'll pay this.
Hello, I'm Alexander. The Grinch. If anyone tries to mess with me, I'll throw them in the cut.
So, adjust your speed according to your preference, then simply click on the export icon at the top. Choose 720 as the standard quality, then click on continue, and it will instantly export your audio as a video. Now, you can see you get the download button here. When you click on download, it will instantly download this audio file into a video format on your PC. Now we can simply navigate to the download section, and as you can see, this was the ElevenLabs audio that we converted to video and changed the speed according to our preference. Now what you'll have to simply do is convert this video into audio. In order to do that, go to a new tab, type in video to audio converter, click on this free converters link that is www.freeconvert.com, video to MP3 converter. Now it will open up this page. We'll have to click on choose files and choose from device. Now choose the video that you just generated using that tool and click on open. Now you'll have to click on this convert icon. It will instantly convert this video to audio. After the conversion is finished, simply click on this download button. When you click on download, it will download an audio file onto your PC and you can play it.
Hello, I'm Alexander. The Grinch. If anyone tries to mess with me, I'll throw them in the cut.
As you can see, I just increased the speed of my audio that I generated using the ElevenLabs. I can also decrease the speed of audio using the same method. So once again, I'm going to tell you that there is no current feature on ElevenLabs to speed up or slow down voice on that platform. But through the workaround I showed you, you can easily do that. So that's how you speed up or slow down voice in ElevenLabs. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.